Ang dami nilang grapes. Ang dami nilang grapes. Yeah, lemon too. I used the last lemon for Kaden. So I need another bag. This our has avocado. 80 cents a piece. Not bad. I still have one for tomorrow. It's still it's good. Ito daw ang tinan mo. Brown na yan, madali na yan mahinog. Not bad, 88 cents for apat. That's it.